Yo, what's good gamers? Buckle up, cause we're diving into something wild. The Red Magic 11 Pro and the rumored Red Magic 11 Ultra leaks. And listen, this might just be the most insane gaming phone of 2025. Forget casual upgrades. This thing could make last year's Red Magic 10 Pro look like a flip phone from Grandma's drawer. We're talking next-gen Snapdragon power, crazy cooling tech, a buttery smooth display, and maybe even a battery so big it'll outlast your gaming marathons. So what's real? What's hype? And why should you actually care? Stick around, smash that like button, and let's break it all down. Alright, let's rewind for a sec. The Red Magic 10 Pro? Absolute beast. 7050 mAh battery, 144Hz AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and of course, that iconic 23,000 RPM cooling fan, keeping you chill during those sweaty Genshin Impact grinds. Red Magic's been dominating the gaming phone scene for years, so when whispers about the 11 Pro and an Ultra started popping up, yeah, my jaw hit the floor. Snapdragon 8, Elite 2, the new engine leakers. Like Paris, Gulani, and Ferraro on X are saying the 11 Pro S-rocking Qualcomm S next big chip, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Built on a 3nm process, more power, better efficiency, cooler temps. Geekbench scores, rumored to be insane, and console-level ray tracing for 88 titles. Imagine PUBG Mobile or COD Mobile looking like PS5 games. Smooth frames, sharp graphics, zero lag. Compared to the 10 Pro's chip, this could be a massive leap. ICE 13.0 cooling system. Now gamers know the struggle. No one wants their phone doubling as a toaster. Red Magic's secret sauce has always been active cooling, and leaks say the 11 Pro gets ICE 13.0. We're talking quieter, redesigned fan, smarter heat pushout, maybe even AI-controlled thermals. Picture grinding Warzone Mobile for 3 hours, and your phone's still cool as a cucumber, compared to ROG Phone 9 or OnePlus 13. Red Magic's in a league of its own. Display upgrades gamers. This is the juicy bit. 6.8 AMOLED, 165Hz refresh rate, up from 144Hz. Faster touch sampling for lightning quick response, slimmer bezels for immersion, and shoulder triggers are rumored to make a return. Battery life, beast mode. The 10 Pro flexed a 7,750 mAh battery. Nuts. But Chinese forums are buzzing about the 11 Pro rocking 7,200 or even 7,300 millimeters. That's record-breaking territory. Pair it with 100 watt plus fast charging, and you're basically never unplugged. Compared to the ROG Phone 9's 6,000 thread 500 mAh or Galaxy S25 Ultra's 5,000 talos, Red Magic's endurance is unmatched. Enter the Red Magic 11 Ultra. Here's where it gets crazy. An iMi listing shows 3 versions, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Plus, and the Ultra. The Ultra is rumored to bring up to 24 GB RAM, 1 TB storage, premium ceramic body, even more advanced cooling cameras that could rival the Galaxy S25 Ultra and Big One, IP68 water and dust resistance. No more stressing about spills, sweat, or rain messing with those cooling vents. If true, that makes the Ultra a legit flagship rival, not just a gaming phone. So, gamers, the question is, would you cop? Hyped for Snapdragon 8 Elite 2? Excited for that monster battery? Or praying for the Ultra's flagship upgrades? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear what you're most hyped about. And if you're as pumped as I am, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a single update on this beast. Until next time, keep gaming, stay cool, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.